The benefits of the PowerTech hot stapler system have just been boosted with the addition of a new cordless version that is ideal for the mobile operator and smart repairer. With the high replacement cost of plastic body panels and headlamp units, repairers are being encouraged to repair these components rather than simply replace them. There is no need to throw away a perfectly good headlamp unit just because a mounting lug has been broken off. This is an ideal repair to demonstrate the capabilities of the PowerTech cordless hot stapler. Choose a stainless steel staple of the correct profile to suit the repair and fit to the hot stapler. The bright built-in LED is a great help when light levels are low. Use additional staples to reinforce the repair. Differently shaped staples are included to make the job easy and straightforward. The finished repair is both strong and flexible. Bumper mounting lugs can get damaged just by removing the bumper. Gluing is not strong enough for this sort of repair. But a single staple and a few seconds work can save this very expensive bumper panel.